Hey Queens, welcome back. Today we're taking these off. They are so grown out. It's not really focusing, but they are so grown out. Let's see how much there is. Ew! We're getting rid of them. I have had acrylic nails 3 times in my life. One time I tried the acetone soaking method and I don't know if I did it wrong, but it did not work really well for me. And the other time, I think I just picked them off. Like I just ripped them off. But I've done a quick Google search and today we're going to try the acetone method again. They had a few steps. They said to file it down with a really coarse, what are those things called? Nail file things. This is coarse medium and it's got all bite marks in it because my mom's cat likes chewing on it, which is probably really bad for her. But anyway, the first step I'm gonna do is file it down with this, and then they say to use cotton balls, but I don't have cotton balls, so I'm gonna use these cotton pads and I'm sure it will work just as well. I think I'll cut them in half
if you care.
They're a little bit large for...
All right, let's move on.
And then I'm gonna put new nail polish on. These got done at the salon, like it's like a proper acrylic job. I'm gonna use the Sister Coat nail powders again. I don't know if I'll make this one video too. We'll see how long they turn out. And the Sister Coat thing, I think I'm gonna try those navy chrome nails because I have a metallic blue nail polish. Let's get started. Oh, and I know it's not Christmas. I don't want to hear about it. Thank you. You guys have no idea how hard it was to set up this camera. I don't know why I'm like incompetent at things like that, but here we are. Here are my nails.
Wow.
I did show you them a second ago, but they are very grown out. So we have our filing thing here, and these are the cotton pads that I will put acetone on. And this is the foil I just cut up. I didn't actually watch any of the tutorials. I just read something on Google. That was basically it. I don't have the patience for any of this. So I'm going to move these out of the way. I don't know how well this is going to do. Okay, well that's interesting. They said that filing it down would reduce the amount of time it had to soak in the acetone. Is this doing anything? Oh my god. Oh no. Oh. Okay, good. It wipes off. I wish I had one of those electronic filer things, you know? The ones that like spin around. Okay, this is what we're working with. I'm gonna wash my hands because there's powder all over it. I'll be back in a second. Okay, you can see a lot better now that actually did take off some of it. Look, it did take off quite a bit. Okay, so now I'm going to get these little cotton pads and I'm going to soak them in the acetone. I'm just doing it one hand at a time, see how well it goes. I don't know how long you're supposed to leave this on for. I saw different times. One was like 15 to 20 minutes and I was like, oh, I'm probably not going to do that, lol. There was one that was like 10 minutes. I feel like I could do that. Why are these always the hardest things to open in the entire world? I can't get this open. You're supposed to press down into it. There we go. Okay, I'm a liar. I can't get it open. So here's the foil. I don't really know what's wrong with these pieces. They have like a, look, it looks like there's powder on them. I don't really know what that's about. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Probably. I guess we'll find out. I'm just gonna do it like that and then put it on there and then grab some foil. I probably shouldn't have the acetone sitting on my skin, but I don't really see how I'm going to avoid that. I think I'm just going to have to suck it up and deal with it. Ah! Ow! Oh my god. Ow. There's like a hidden invisible cut somewhere along my cuticle there, and it hurts! Ow! Oh my god, it stings! Ow. Ow, 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 ow. That probably happened when I was filing the nails back because I kept catching my skin. It's rather unpleasant. That looks insane. Oh, it's kind of hot. Oh, my finger's about to fall off. That one has cuts on the cuticle too. I was really aggressive with that nail file. Okay, last one. Oh my god, this hurts so bad. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to do my right hand with these in the foil. I don't think I can do it very effectively. This was a mistake. Okay, this is way too hard. I'm just gonna have to wait until these left ones are done and then come back and do the right ones, I think. Okay, I've tried to tough it out, but this just got really hot, really started burning. But look, it did kind of work. You can see like in there, there's like little bits and pieces of nail polish. So let me get a scrapey thing. I was just sitting on the couch watching, I started the second Avatar movie, The Way of Water, which is excellent, by the way. just all of a sudden got really, really hot, and I was like, okay, I think that might be enough. It's probably been about 10 minutes. I was trying to avoid picking these off, like ripping them off, but I fear that I'm gonna have to do that to a certain extent anyway. Okay, this is what we're working with. Looks awesome. I'm so brave. I'm putting them back on. Let's try this again. I don't know which finger was which. I'll be back when the heat and the pain becomes unbearable again. Wait, it's kind of happening right now, as I literally just said that. I don't really have an alternative to this, but it hurts. It's like really, really hot. Here's where I'm at. I think I'm at the point of just prying them off with this wooden stick. As much as this hurts, it is probably going to really damage my nail. And look at these, like I haven't even started these ones. Like that's so annoying. I mean, I probably didn't leave them long enough, but like I said, it was like 10 minutes. Like it was supposed to be enough. There we go. Wow, that's a healthy looking nail. Look at that, looks awesome. Sweet. All right, I think I'm just gonna pry them off, unfortunately, even though it's going to destroy my nails, because I literally am just gonna put nail polish straight back on top of this, which is also probably really bad, but that's where I'm at. All right, second one is off. Alright, this hand is done. I think I'm just gonna pry these off as well. I don't know if the acetone did much. If I can't really get under there, then maybe I'll do the acetone thing to soften it up a bit. But honestly, I don't really have the patience for that, since my final step of it is just gonna be ripping them off anyway. There's one. Alright, we're done. This is what we're dealing with. There's still a little bit of nail polish on this, so maybe I'll use some acetone to get rid of that. I still don't know if this is going to be one video or two. If this is one video, then stay tuned, because in a second, I'm just going to take off the rest of this nail polish, and then I will start applying the Sister Co stuff.